Hey rail fans, it's Bruce. I'm at Blenheim Road near Princeton, Ontario. This westbound CN train said 428 axles, 2336, 2299 leading. So often we have intermodal followed by autorack. This one started out just autorack. I don't know if that's all it's going to be or not yet. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any feedback regarding it, I welcome that in the comments. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and like. See a little movement going on here. It's a very windy day and I have my old camera that does not have any anti-shake program or whatever in it. Doing the best I can. The camera I normally use had to be sent in for repairs, so I had to dig out my old one. Still auto racks as far as the eye can see.